I'm Sarah from Single Machinery. This is a new unit short blast machine that is bar and pipe blast machine that including 3 parts. For this part is automatic loading. This one is a short blast machine. Another is automatic unloading part. Let me introduce one by one to you. You can put many pieces bar or the pipe on the loading table. Then that will automatically transport to the V shape, or we can call the diver. When the pipe on that diver, that will move forward and rotation. When the pipe in the blasting chamber, 3 unit turbines on top will work, and all the steel shot will hit it on the pipe. Screw conveyor, bucket elevator, separator. Then the abrasive can be used well into the blast turbine to use it again. This part is the outlet roller conveyor, and when the cleaned steel pipe on this part, that will automatic unloading to the table. This is an automatic short blast machine that can blast different size pipe and bar. So if you have the same work pieces, we can give you the professional solution. So bye, see you next time.